In this video, I will show you how to upload a short video on YouTube. And if this video does help you out today, then please consider dropping down below and subscribing to the channel, and also consider leaving a like on the video. I really do appreciate it. So with that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So you can see I'm at youtube.com and I'm currently logged into my account up in the top right hand corner. Now there's a couple of things you need to do first of all to make sure this does get uploaded as a short on YouTube. So the first thing is you need to make sure that the video itself is under 1 minute long. And the next thing, which is very important, is you want to make sure the aspect ratio is right. So it has to be 1920 by 1080 pixels. And the reason for this is a lot of YouTube shorts are generally viewed on a mobile device. So they've added this as an easier way to upload shorts. So once that's ready, what you want to do is come and click onto the create button up here in the top. And then click onto upload video. So what's going to happen is going to take you across to the upload screen. So what you want to do from here is just select the file to upload. So you can drag and drop, or you can just click the blue select button down there. So in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and put this video in just as an example. This isn't actually a short video, but it's one thing I wanted to mention as well. And that is that when you're uploading a short video, you'll notice down here where it says video link, this will be different if it is a short video. So instead of saying YouTube and then / and then the video URL, what it will say is YouTube, then a /, then it should say shorts, and then another / and then the URL. So if you have done everything right, it will be displayed in this format rather than the one you can see here. Now there was a thing that you used to do where you would have to put a hashtag and then put YouTube Shorts, but this is not essential, but of course this is something you can do, and you just need to add that in the video description there. So the two main things to bear in mind, as I mentioned earlier, is to make sure the video is under 1 minute long, and also to make sure it's in the correct format, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, as I say, if you would consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like on the video. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next tutorial.